In today's video, let's talk about how to fix WhatsApp cannot activate on a new phone. If you're trying to log into your WhatsApp account on a new device, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, before you begin with the few solutions that you can actually try out, there are a few things that you'll need to ensure, such as while entering in the phone number, you'll need to ensure that you are entering in the correct country code. If you selected a different country code, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Also, make sure that the phone number that you entered is actually correct and is your actual phone number. So once you ensure these steps, and if you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you likely need to do is move your SIM card or activate the SIM card. So in general, it does not require, or WhatsApp does not require, to actually move the SIM card, but in some cases this may actually be the issue. So what you need to do is move your SIM card to the new device that you're trying to log into your WhatsApp, and this will help to solve this issue. Also, what you can do is toggle on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then toggle it off again. This helps to refresh your connection and will connect to the nearest cell tower as well. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.